Hi, good morning, investor or traders in Indonesia, especially on my social media. Now I'm with Mr. Alex. He is institutional sales from UOB here. Now we have a little chat in this morning. I want to ask him about what is his view about market, especially in this second semester in 2019. Okay, Alex, introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, this is Alex. After the passive stance in the first half of 2019 due to elections and trade war issues, we are turning more aggressive for the second half of 2019, and we are still sticking to our view of modest returns on GCI in 2019 and even more positive for 2020. The main reason is that easy money is back, either in July or in a few months. The Fed rate would start coming down again. So usually when there is a US quantitative easing, emerging markets and emerging currencies strengthen, and foreign investors usually run to get the extra percentage gains from currency and equities. So it could be that time of investment cycle again. Our only weak spot is our economics, but that remains stable as far as we can see. Our inflation is within target, and Bank Indonesia should not be afraid for cuts after the Fed cut first. So the only difference with the previous quantitative easing is that the previous quantitative easing came in response to a big financial crisis and came with massive buying of equities, bonds and derivatives of more than 1 trillion US. So this time it is not accommodated by this massive buying. It is more driven by the interest rate, which this could mean slower dollar appreciation. That's why we insist that it's going to be positive for emerging markets, but not bullish. And let's not forget that during the last quantitative easing, there was a commodities boom and strong economic expansion in Indonesia. So this time we do not have this element. So many cyclical stocks might not work out as before. Now I'm looking at other sectors like energy, metals, and communication, this kind of stocks.
So, how do you think about market in this second semester? What is your most suggestion stocks for investors to collect?
As I said, energy, communication, metals. I would have a look at Pigas, Antam, Medco, ISAT, Tower, CCSI. Yeah, this kind of
Okay.
stocks.
How about banking?
Banking still has some upside, especially when the Bank Indonesia starts cutting rates, but we're not going to see a very big upsize because the valuations are already getting more expensive.
Okay. So you have any sector more interesting beside the telecommunication and banking? No, energy.
After 3 years of construction stocks coming down, probably construction sector is interesting.
Okay.
Wika, PTBP probably, I would say.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Alex. So that's a little chat with Alex from institutional sales from UOB here. Thanks for the market update, Alex.
Thank you guys.
Okay, see you.
Bye.